I hope you all are fine and doing your studies. Today we are going to start the second part of solids and liquids. And in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the liquids. Most common liquid is water. Water is present on the earth, and this is very important liquid for the life on the earth. Water is present in the sea. We are getting water from the tap or maybe from the rain, and we drink water in our daily routine. But there are some other examples of liquid. Water is the most common liquid, but there are so many other liquids that we are using in our daily routine or in our daily life. These are the milk, petrol, vinegar, tea, juice, and oil. These all are very common liquid that we are using in our daily life. There must be some properties on the basis of which we call these materials as liquid. Let's have a look on these properties. Liquids can be poured. This is the first property or first characteristics of liquids, that they can be poured. Liquids are runny. Liquids have no fixed shape. We will discuss these properties one by one. First one is that we can pour liquids. It means that we can change the container of liquid, like when we are putting the petrol in the car, or we are pouring the juice from jug to the glass, or we are pouring the milk, or maybe water, or coffee. All these liquids are easily poured from one container to the other. It means that this is very easy to pour liquid or to change the container of the liquid. So this is the first quality of liquid, that they can easily be poured. Second is that liquids are runny. If you spill a liquid onto the floor, it will flow all over the place. Like in this picture, you can see that a glass is uh, fallen on the ground, and all the milk from the glass has spilled on the floor. Then juice, and then maybe coffee. So this is the quality on the basis of which we can say that liquids are runny, and due to this characteristics, they can be poured easily. If we often see that if someone has dropped a glass of water on the floor, then that water will spread on the floor very unevenly. So through this, you can see that they are runny. They can be spread very easily. Then is that liquids have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which we pour them. They take the shape of the container in which we pour them. Let's look at this picture. You can see that some milk is in the jug, and a small quantity of milk is there in the glass. So both container have the same liquid, but that liquid have different shape on the different containers. Then if sometimes you become ill, you may have to drink some liquid medicine, medicine in the form of liquid, that is syrup. So that medicine is in a bottle, but when you pour that medicine on a spoon, then you can see in this picture that this liquid that is coming from the bottle is taking the shape of the spoon. So it shows that liquids have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which we pour them. Then tea, now this tea is taking the shape of that cup. And if you put the milk in some flat dish, then the milk will take the shape of that dish. Now I have a very interesting video for you. In this video, you will see the amazing facts about